Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about adding test in Bruno. Bruno supports writing automation test scripts in JavaScript for your API request to assert its behavior. Bruno uses the child library, so you can follow the same syntax for writing assertions in your test. Here I have written 4 tests. I will be explaining the use of these tests while we are doing the demo. I am going straight into the demo. I have already opened Bruno. So this is the request we are using for the demo. In the test tab, I have already added the test in order to assert the behavior of this particular API request. I will be explaining each test. So this is the first test. This is used to assert the status code of this API request. So this is the test name and there is a function. Inside that we are using the expect from child library. The res object holds the complete response. Then we will be using the getStatus method and we are checking the value is 201 or not. The second test, we are checking the data type of the response key name. So we are checking whether the key value is coming as a string or not. To do that, we are getting the response using the res object and we are calling the getBody method. Then we are using JSON path and moving to the name key and checking whether it's a string or not. That's the second test. Third test, we are checking the JSON response value. So to do that, we are again using the same method res.getBody and using the JSON path, we are checking the value of key name is morpheus or not. Fourth one, we are checking the status text of the API request. So to do that, we are using the res object and calling the status text and we are checking whether it's created or not. So I am going to hit this request. So when you hit this request, the assertions and test will be shown as combined. So total count will be based on the number of assertions and tests added. In the last video, in the assert tab, we have added 3 assertions. In this test tab, I have added 4 tests. Now I am going to hit this request. You can see the total count of 7 in green color, which this indicates that the assertion which is added in the assert tab and test which is added in the test tab got passed. So this is the details of the test which we have added: status code test, name data type test, name value test and status text check. So these are the 4 tests which we have added in the test tab. I will be sharing this code in the video description so that you can copy paste the code. So based on your API response, you have to change, you have to apply the correct JSON bar. That's the only change you have to make in your API request. So I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.